The article discusses the development and testing of innovative aerospace technologies, focusing on the X-44 Manta, a tailless aircraft designed by Lockheed Martin. The X-44 was created to explore the use of thrust vectoring for basic flight control instead of traditional tail structures, offering potential improvements in speed, fuel efficiency, and maneuverability. The project also aimed to demonstrate cost-effective manufacturing techniques for aircraft. The X-44 Manta's design featured the ability to adjust engine thrust direction, leading to exceptional maneuverability, particularly in dogfights. This concept, developed in collaboration with NASA, is reflected in current illustrations of the next-generation American fighter aircraft. The F-22 Raptor, known for its stealth capabilities, was among the predecessors that influenced the X-44, which was envisioned to surpass the F-22 in stealth, range, and payload capacity. Despite its potential, the Manta project was discontinued in 2000 due to funding cuts. However, the technologies and ideas behind it continue to influence the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, which is expected to maintain a strong focus on stealth and advanced capabilities, crucial as stealth technology spreads globally. One challenge to stealth technology is the rise of infrared search and track Earth systems, which can detect stealth aircraft without relying on radar. However, Earth systems have limitations, particularly in adverse weather conditions, where their effectiveness is reduced, allowing stealth aircraft to remain undetected. The NGAD program is likely to incorporate advanced features initially envisioned for the X-44, including temperature control and stealth enhancements in both the radio frequency and infrared spectra. The program also emphasizes the need for extended range and payload, especially for operations in the Indo-Pacific region. The article concludes by reflecting on how the ambitious X-44 concept may have laid the groundwork for the U.S. sixth-generation fighter program, which now includes technologies like AI, drone swarms, and combat lasers, once considered science fiction, but now integral to modern military aviation.